Hi guys, it's time for another episode of What's in My Bag. Why? Because I have a new bag now after 2 years. Okay, my old bag is now old and tattered and I found a new bag. Pero wala akong kabaloon sa siya ka-authentic. Pero if you don't know yet, it's the Pollen Sime mini bag. In all of its glory, in the color taupe. So, regardless kung authentic siya or dili, pero I'd like to believe it's authentic and lucky siya nga by. Kay, naagod siya name ang kuan itself. Like even the hardware, I'll show you guys. The hardware even has a name or a like branding. Maklaro ba? See? May pollen. Aside from the classic Pollen nga print gold embossed logo. So, ako ipakita later ang shape. So, first, let's unload my bag. So, inani siya. It looks cute. Tapos, pag akong i-wear, it looks like this. Very nice na. Elegant. So, this is first thing is notebooks. Why? Because wala lang. This is my journal. This is my bullet journal I bought from Daiso. And this is my journal for my thoughts and feelings. Wow. So, mas kinunsa na akong i-write. Depends. Pero kani ang pinaka-helpful kay naadiri akong mga budgeting, akong mga to-dos. So, it helps me remember stuff I need to remember. Of course, wallet. 2 years po ding wallet. Unta mapalitan ni siya o my dream wallet. Char. Claiming! Alcohol spray. Fun fact, walay alcohol spray sa Dubai. Lisod siya pangitaon. Mugurong ambot, anong dili sila into sanitizing. I have wet wipes. I also have an umbrella kay summer na guys. So, balik ta sa payong moments. Katuman ang nabugubaan kong car. So, I needed an umbrella in my bag. So, I also have dry tissue for my kugmu. And I also like to keep eco bags with me. So, isara siya karon pero normally duha siya. It's from IKEA. Very useful siya guys. Kapilanan ako siya na-use. It's very light and compact. And then I have 2 hair clips which I rarely use. Kani siya, both are from Shein. One is it was originally gold but now it's faded. So sometimes I like to keep my hair half do like this. So I just use this clip. Nice unta ni siya na clip. Ay. Naisanta ni siya nga clip kay pearl siya na flower thing. But, it's too small. Like, gamay ra iyang makuha na hair. So, depends lang sa akong mood on sa akong gamitan. But I have 2 hair clips. Rarely, I don't know when I last used my earbuds. Pero this is the earbuds. This is already 4 years with me. I think. Soundpits pa ni, kato pa ning Philippine ako nga sweldo. Mailisan ang tanya itong Bose. Oy, dream na ko nga earbud katong Bose nga i-clip na marag earrings. Kay dili jud ko ganahan. I really don't like the earbuds nga katugong na ay rubber and then more siyang i-suction sa ear canal. I don't like it. I don't like the feeling because I feel like magka-vacuum something akong pressure sa head. Have here eye drops. Kay kato akong health scare thing, it made me need to take Reconil for a while, so need daw nako mag eye drops. So nag-keep ko few pieces and I was too lazy to remove them, so I still have it in my bag. And the bag comes with a built-in ba siya? Yeah, built-in siya nga pouch, which also has the Pollen nga logo. See? Napadya siya kuan guys, made in Spain. So like maka-think ko nga legit siya. Kay, this was a thrift gifted by my workmate and friend, si Mary Joy. Shout out. Iyan ang gift thrift, and then iyan na lang kong gi-inform na bay na kay bag. Bayad lang og 400. So, ako nga, dugay na dyan ako siya nga dream nga bag. Wala na ako nag-know. So, inside this pouch is the things na gusto na ko siya easy to grab. Wala magoy compartments ang bag itself. Like, it's just a plain thing inside. Like, see, no compartments, nothing. So, the things I want to grab easily, I'll place inside this pouch. So, inside is the car key, the house keys, scrunchie. This is silk, by the way. It's CGM friendly or curly girl method friendly. And then I have here some menthol na essential oil. Useful ni katong Metro Days. And I have here, I'm not sure unsa ni nga scent. I think maoning El Barari scent from the perfume souk. Okay. Ganahan kay ko sa scent, and then yeah, this is the El Barari scent. Fresh kay siya nga clean scent. So wala dyan ako siya gi-use kay see gamay ra kay siya. It's just a sample given by the sales associate there, who was so kind and very passionate about perfumes. And at that time, dili pa man ko makabay. So, ano siya, hatagan tikag sample, ma'am. And I was so happy. So, dili na ko siya magamit-gamit. Pero humot kay siya. I want to buy the full bottle. Puhon. So, mga itong sulod, ani. And then, maoni ang, for those of you who don't know, this is the, like, you can open it like this to expand. But although nice iyahang silhouette, but personally I like to use it nga tucked in. See kay wala lang. Mas cute siya. It's cute and compact. And then I normally use it as a shoulder bag with these long straps, but you can also treat it as like a, I don't know the term, pero like inana lang siya nga bag. And then this doesn't come off. It's like hooked inside. Moto, makaingon ko, I hope it's original. Okay, na siya tatak here. And then inside, na apoy embossed. Embossed? No, embossed. Or no, engraved. Na made in Spain. I don't know how to kanang legit check a bag. So, I will show you the dust bag it came with and the tag also. This is the dust bag it came with, guys. So just the normal canvas, I think, or cotton nga bag. Na inano siya, drawstring. So when I got this bag, it came with this tag, which I didn't throw away. And this is the tag, Simony. See? Poland Simony. So this is the full tag I got. I think this is Japan surplus, or basta Japan siya gikan na nga haul, or I don't know the term, but sa Japan siya gi-source. So I think it's like a second hand or maybe pre-loved or whatever. But yeah. See, naman ko siya mga ingon ani. So I don't know. I haven't owned an original bag yet from Poland. Gibay dyan ako from the store itself. Pero mani yung tag. Is this legit, guys? I don't know. That's my bag. What's in my bag after 2 years? Wow, muna dyan ko kinsa, no? So, thanks for watching. Unta, magkuhan ko, no? New wallet reveal. Soon. Bye.